Guest blogging is a powerful way to grow your brand, reach new audiences, and boost your SEO. Want to master it? Let's dive in. I'm Manuela Wilbold, the Chief Marketing Officer at ClickDo. Today, I'm here to walk you through the world of guest blogging. Want to grow your brand, boost your SEO, or reach a bigger audience? This video is your step-by-step guide to getting started. Let's make it happen. Guest blogging is more than just writing for someone else's platform. It's about building your brand, gaining exposure, and creating lasting connections in your industry. But how do you do it effectively? That's what I'm here to show you. Success in blogging starts with the basics. It's more than just writing, it's about strategy. Here are simple steps to guide you on your journey. First, tune into the blog's unique voice. Are they casual, professional, or somewhere in between? Your content needs to resonate with their readers. Most blogs have clear submission guidelines that act as a cheat sheet. These guidelines cover word count, formatting, and more. Following them shows professionalism and helps avoid copyright issues. Your audience isn't just the blog owner, it's their readers. Ask yourself, what are they looking for? Tailor your tone, examples, and content to address their interests and needs. Lists and structured content grab attention. A well-organized post is always a winner. A good guest post strikes a balance between quality and quantity. Your content should be detailed enough to provide value, but not so lengthy that it loses the reader's interest. Close with impact. Whether it's a call to action, a thought-provoking question, or a summary, your ending should leave a lasting impression and encourage readers to act. And there you have it. The ultimate blueprint for guest blogging success. Remember, every blog you write is a step toward building your credibility and expanding your reach. Ready to elevate your guest blogging game? Visit manuelawilbold.com for expert tips, insights, and strategies. Let's connect and make your content shine in guest blogging and media placement. Together, we'll take your content to the next level.